Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Wink Wink. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and the first verse starts the song with two power chord shapes. One built from fret 3 on the A string, and then fret 5, and we play that for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each bar has 8 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we move it all up a string and play for the same amount of time. And what we do is we're going to take those chords and loop them around 3 times for the first verse. Now the pre-chorus changes things, and so will the chorus, so what I thought I'd do is write out the full tab for the song for all the rhythm chords, which is what you're seeing on the screen throughout this video, and you get the full thing in one PDF over on Patreon. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but a bunch of other Charli songs, and well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, so feel free to check that out. The pre-chorus changes things, and we have 3 on the A string, then 3 on the top, but then we jump early to fret 2 on the E string, but keep number 5. So that full pre-chorus. But let's delve in with the pre-chorus. And the pre-chorus changes things. We have a 0 and 2 power chord, going up to 3 and 5, then the 3 and 5 on the top string, then 2 on the A string. What's going to happen is we take those chords and play them round 4 times. One time round is this. We then have a post-chorus, but the great thing about the post-chorus is that it is exactly the same as the chorus, but just one time round. We have a second verse, same as the first with those chords, then a pre-chorus, chorus, and post-chorus, all the same as the previous parts. The only real difference is that there is Charli singing different lyrics. And there we go, a pretty straightforward song to play. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material over on Patreon. I also want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.